Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your company email in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage both your personal and work emails in one place, making it easier to stay organized and responsive throughout your day. Let's dive into the process. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once everything has loaded up, you'll have access to all the features and settings you need. Give it a moment if you're opening the app for the first time, as it may take a few seconds to sync all your existing messages and folders. Once your email has fully loaded, head to the File tab located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. This is where you'll find all the account management options. Click on File to open that menu. You'll notice a variety of options here, but we're focusing specifically on adding a new account. From the File menu, you'll directly see the option labeled Add Account. Click on it and start by entering your company email credentials. The great thing about Outlook is that it will help you auto-configure your company email settings, so you don't have to worry about manually entering server details or ports. Just provide your email address and password, and Outlook will handle the technical setup for you. This saves a lot of time and reduces the chance of configuration errors. Once your company email has been added, head back to your File menu. From there, click on Account Settings. A drop-down option will appear, and you'll want to click on Account Settings again to access the full account management page. Now you'll see a list of all the emails added to your Microsoft Outlook. This is where you can manage multiple accounts if you have them. Locate the recently added company email and double-click on it to open its specific settings. From here, you'll see the Account Settings window for your company email. You can set fields from the general settings, including your name field along with organization. This is particularly useful if you want your outgoing emails to display your official job title or company name. Optionally, you can also change the account name to something more recognizable like work email or company account, which helps you quickly identify it when switching between accounts. Once you've made all your adjustments, click on Next to save your settings. Your changes will be applied immediately, and your company email is now fully integrated into Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured your company email in Microsoft Outlook, giving you seamless access to your work communications alongside any other accounts you manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.